Thank you for tuning into the channel. Today we discuss the coneflower. The coneflower, scientifically known as echinacea, is a perennial plant renowned for its vibrant blooms and therapeutic properties. With its distinctive cone-shaped center and gracefully arranged petals, this captivating flower adds a touch of elegance to gardens and landscapes. Native to North America, coneflowers have a rich history of traditional medicinal uses. They have been valued for their immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory properties, often used to alleviate common ailments and promote overall well-being. Today, coneflower extracts are widely incorporated into natural remedies and herbal supplements. Beyond their healing qualities, coneflowers are admired for their resilience. They can thrive in various soil conditions and withstand harsh climates, making them a popular choice for gardeners seeking low-maintenance yet striking floral displays. Coneflowers come in a range of captivating colors, including vibrant purples, soft pinks, and sunny yellows. These hues attract pollinators, such as butterflies and bees, ensuring a lively and thriving ecosystem in your garden. Whether used as a focal point in flower beds or as part of a wildflower meadow, coneflowers bring natural beauty and a sense of resilience to any landscape. Their stunning appearance and therapeutic potential make them a cherished addition to gardens worldwide, captivating both the eye and the soul. Links for coneflower can be found in the description below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.